Hello everyone, this is Valonia from Sydney PT Study Center. I'm here today to talk about discourse marker. Discourse marker is a word or phrase that is used to present an idea. It has the function to link two different ideas, so there will be a logical flow from the first one to the second one. The examples of discourse markers are however, furthermore, therefore, and many more. How do we use discourse marker in our PT exam? Specifically in your retail lecture, highlight correct summary and summary spoken text, it is very important for you to identify the main ideas. And discourse marker can be your powerful tool to identify those main ideas. Let's say the topic of discussion in retail lecture is science, and the speaker has mentioned the positive side of science. And then he would like to mention the negative side. He will say it in this way. We know science have always benefited humans. However, science also brings huge destruction in humans' lives. So now you know the main ideas. The positive side, that science always benefits humans, and that science also brings huge destruction. Therefore, start to use this discourse marker to help you to identify the main ideas. This is 79 seconds for 79 plus.